Hi again, welcome to my channel. I'm April from Penguins Creative, and today I'm actually going to do a little first impression review of this planner that I received from Everyday Explorer by Kristen Heron. She's the best. I just wanted to show you really quick the type of stamps I bought from her. Really way too many. Like, oh my goodness, I've been just using these all the time in Traverse Notebook. But today I am actually going to be reviewing her 2019 planner. It's in my hand right now. Look at this. It's so pretty. So I'm actually going to be reviewing this one because she's a friend and I'm like, she sent me this. I really want to try it out and show you guys my first impression. And the best thing about this planner is that it's undated, which means that you can start using it today if you want to, if you have some sort of purpose or plan. And I'm essentially just going to give like a first impression review of this. First of all, it's in my favorite color. This is kind of like a turquoise teal color, and like a muted teal, and I think it looks really sleek and sophisticated. It's an A5 size, which is a plus because that means I can actually use this in one of my many Hobonichi A5 covers that I have this year. And according to the website, it lays flat because it uses like a stitching binding at the on the edges. Wow, so it's got a really smooth texture. The paper, the covers are not glossy, but instead it's got a pretty awesome like paper, even like washi texture. And here you have her logo, her Instagram. Feel free to follow her. She has this creative ambassador team, and they come up with the best stuff with her stamps. I love looking at their spreads for inspiration. It's undated, it's got space for 12 months, and according to the website, it includes yearly, quarterly, monthly, and weekly planning pages. So actually, let's see. So it also comes with this like little book bind thingy. Usually I do take these off because I tend to like just wreck them when I'm flipping them, but okay, I want to try to see if I can make this flip. Oh wow, I just opened it to a random page. It looks beautiful. I love it because so I quickly just flipped through it, and it's really got some functional boxes and text that is going to be helpful if you want to plan with a goal in mind, and I think that's something I need. So I love that their note pages are dot grid, no ruled. Many of you guys who are stationery enthusiasts probably are like me. I just can't deal with the lines. And that's why I love the Hobonichi Techo, because it's like grids and like very light grids as well. And this is also of super faint dot grid for, she said, for the bullet journalers. I don't really bullet journal, but I could see me using some of these dot grids to certain other sort of graph drawing functions. Okay, so let's just quickly go through it. And I love how when I open it, it's like a nice quote. It said, "How we spend our days is, of course, how we spend our lives." I love it. This is kind of a new type of planner for me. I've never used this before. I see it in a lot of the American brands to have these sort of prompts But I kind of see Kristen Heron in this cross between the Japanese brands and American brands, because I think she's originally from the Philippines, so she's got like more of an Asian influence when it comes to her design aesthetics. But then she's also been in the States for a long time, I believe so. So her stuff is kind of like influenced too by like those icons, her stamp design, the kind of things that are more aligned to what the American culture, like the aesthetics, the reach for your goals sort of mentality. So I appreciate that, and I can't wait to see how the paper performs. If fountain pen works on this, then perfect. I'm sure she already thought of that, since she's also a big stationery fan herself. so pretty. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll be sharing more updates about how I use this planner in my Instagram, Penguins Creative, and maybe I'll make another video of this when I start getting into it as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.